Oh, it's a second time.
Never know when they back calling me splurge. Drop me jump right on the curb. And the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid on the my way. My equal on what you heard. Cook up the floor, that's slow. Keep me a stiff, they purr.
Damn, bro, M3 for the win. Man, my face went away. I just want to look at the cars now.
Fuck, I need to go to the bathroom.
It's Ethan. Little Troquita. And there's a water tank too, bro. That's definitely Ethan.
Body kit.
Hey, bro, that shit's hard.
Where's Danny at, bro?
Hey, don't do Danny like that. Looks a little better than Danny's, I'm not gonna lie.
It's the body kit, dog.
Does that have a body kit?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Come on now.
A little bit. That shit looks hard though. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, quiet? Oh, he has that quiet play. Nah, he's gapping, bro.
It's a 0-1.
Hey, you need a quiet place.
Your face. Oh, they gotta move their cars from the red zone.
Smart cars need to go as well. Anybody in the red or illegally parked needs to go. Fire lanes have to be enforced. Move the cars.
Look at the beamer, the lights on the wing. That's hard.
That's what that one motherfucker tried doing.
Yeah, fucking Toby, yeah, at the 0-1.
That shit failed. That shit failed, bro.
That shit felt bad, bro. Wasted a whole wing. M3 sounds so good.
Oscar right now. Oscar now.
M3 is so loud. Holy shit. On tires? Wild. Sheesh. That's wild. Damn. Two juras.
See, I told you there was one. Wow, you guys never believe me.
Because you're a girl.
What? What does that do with anything?
I mean, when it comes to cars, you know.
Nah, hey, look, I'm not gonna lie. Every time I see some car doing some bullshit on the freeway,
It's a girl.
When it comes to driving, yeah,
I see some bullshit. I'm like, that's definitely a girl.
It's crazy. Insurances think that females are less likely to get into an accident.
Heck, bro, I be going 120 and I'm high, bro.
And then you got the girl in the Nissan Altima, fucking 2001, fucking going like 100, bro.
No, it was the Mustang.
How many girls? How many?
Oh, it was the Mustang. The girl?
The Mustang. It was a bitch. The Mustang. The gray Mustang.
Why you gotta call her a bitch though? Goddamn, bro.
Oh, the
I called it.
Come on, bro.
That's disrespectful.
That's sexy, dog.
That's sexy.
I'm out here fucking being a bitch.
Nah, but
It's true.
female. The gray Mustang.
I was with a girl one time that didn't like being called. Like, she said she didn't like that word. Female. Like, you're fucking stupid as fuck. That's what you want.
What word?
Female.
No, but
Well, then what does she consider herself as, a male?
She's a girl. She's just like she didn't like how I would call her like a female. Like Daniel. So like something female, and then she was like, I said like a responsible female, and then she like got all. She's like, oh, I don't like that word. I was like, bitch.
See, you be calling females bitch too.
Well, not like in the face, but like when I refer to like a girl being like annoying to me or anybody like when they say something stupid, like even this fool says something stupid like bitch, you know, but like
You're his bitch.
Nah, that's wild. Ain't no one's bitch, bro.
Like that when they give you.
Do a donut. I'm just kidding.
do a donut.
Raise your hand.
Do a donut. Oh, I didn't. You're like, get the fuck on, bro. Leave.
Get the fuck on.
You're gonna watch the HQ.
Bro, it's like $100 for a ticket.
Yeah, like.
Live, homie.
Lie, homie.
I have a coworker that after every sentence he's like, nah, homie.
I know people like that too.
That was from Chicas.
I have a homie that says vicious, bro. He some, yeah, my homie was cooking up on the grill and he was like, damn, that fool cooks all bitches.
I remember people say that shit, bro.
Julian says that.
Oh, Oh, bitch, shit.
What,
Did I use this like that?
what does Santa Paula guys say?
What's up, dick?
What's up,
What's
dick?
up, dick?
Hola, dick, bro. Serio, dick?
Just to talk.
Danny, where you at? Cause we outside.
It's hard. Like me.
Yo.
She's kind of mid.
Just kind of mid.
But when didn't you guys go to the restaurant?
You see your homie's pubes?
I see my homie's pubes, but that's about it.
Seen your homie's pubes?
What?
Yeah. That's we used to go and just like,
Oh, fools in like pee in the locker room. They would do that shit.
Fool smack your ass and
show me,
shit.
or they're supposed to show me their ass, bro.
What? She's all negro.
It's all-
She's all negro in the metal and shit, bro.
Manchas. It's a manchas.
It's a mantra, bro.
What the fuck is this, bro? Was that a Kia Stinger?
Not the Kia Sweeper, bro. It's a sweeper, bro. She sweeps the streets.
Sir, I've always wanted to be a soccer citizen.
Look at this, bro. Look at this. That's tough.
Yeah, like,
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Hell yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Fool, this carro's all Firme. It's a fucking Corvette, fool.
Oh, Firme. And then you gotta stand like this. Look.
Oh, go ask what the plan is.
oh, Chevrolet.
Oh, Chevrolet.
You gotta stand like this.
Say it, say it.
Oh, Firme.
I got the quiet plate. Hella motor vehicles. Yeah, this will block the whole road.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Hey, bro, this is tough.
Hella people in there. and
Look,
shit.
that was all happy. That was happy shit.
RX-7, man? This shit is tough. This shit's tougher than my nutsack. Damn. Is that a V8? No, I'm just kidding. That's just tough.
That's it.
Sheesh. Right hand drive too? Damn, I didn't even notice. Shit sounds all very low so long.